MagicLight AI review: what you can do for free and what you can't. Disclosure: this video contains an affiliate link. If you subscribe through it, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Before you pay for MagicLight AI, here is what happened when I tested the free account. The platform gave me 800 credits, but a 1-minute explainer video required 1,800 credits. I then found a 5-second image to video option that showed a cost of 140 credits. But when I tried to create the video, the platform redirected me to a paid subscription page. So this is not a sponsored success story. It is a real beginner test of what you can do for free. What you cannot do without subscribing, and whether the paid plans may be worth considering. What exactly is MagicLight AI? MagicLight AI is an online platform designed to turn text, images, and ideas into AI-generated videos. It offers tools for explainer videos, stories, children's videos, interviews, short dramas, music videos, and image-to-video animation. You choose a video type, enter your topic or script, select the language, aspect ratio, duration, and video model. The platform then uses credits to generate the scenes and assemble the video. In simple terms, it tries to combine script writing, visuals, animation, and video production inside one website. What happened with the free account? After signing up, my account showed 800 free credits. I first selected the explainer video tool and requested a 1-minute video about credit card minimum payments. The platform showed that continuing would require 1,800 credits, which was more than the free balance. I then tried the image-to-video tool. By choosing a 720p, 5-second clip with the Highly 01 model, the displayed cost dropped to 140 credits. That appeared affordable with the free balance. However, when I clicked Create Video, MagicLight opened the paid subscription page instead of generating the clip. So, in my test, having enough displayed credits did not mean that the free account could complete the generation. What did I like about the platform? The interface is visually clear and the different video tools are easy to find. MagicLight gives users several creation categories instead of placing everything inside one complicated editor. The explainer video workflow also asks useful questions about language, aspect ratio, duration, and video model. I could upload my own image into a motion prompt and compare the credit costs of different models. The affiliate dashboard was also easy to locate once I reached the correct page. It clearly showed my referral link, commission levels, performance statistics, and payment options. So, from a beginner's point of view, the platform looks organized and offers many creative possibilities. What should beginners know before paying? The biggest issue in my test was the difference between the displayed credit cost and what the free account could actually generate. The image-to-video tool showed a cost of 140 credits, and my account had 800 credits. But the platform still redirected me to a subscription page when I tried to create the video. That makes the free experience confusing for a first-time user. Before purchasing a plan, check which tools, models, video lengths, and resolutions are actually included. Do not assume that receiving free credits means every low credit option will work without a subscription. The safest approach is to test the interface first, compare the plans carefully, and pay only when the required features are clear. So, is MagicLight AI worth paying for? Based on this test alone, I cannot judge the quality of its completed videos because the free account did not allow me to finish a generation. What I can say is that the platform offers many promising tools. But beginners should understand the plan limits before subscribing. MagicLight may be useful for creators who want to produce explainer videos, stories, and animated scenes without building everything manually. But the real value depends on the quality of the generated video, the number of credits consumed, and how often you plan to use it. If you decide to explore MagicLight, you can find my affiliate link in the description. Using the link may give you a discount, and I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Make your decision based on your own needs, budget, and testing, not simply because someone recommended the platform.